everyone, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So the plan for tonight is challenge lock. If I pan down for you, I've had challenge locks from Uklockpicka today. I've got 2 cylinders here, number 8, 17th of the 10th 2018. Look how neat that engraving is, guys. Uklockpicka number 8. As you can see, I've just picked this one, so we can lock that back up. Here we go. And if we have a look here, we've got Uklockpicka number 9, 18th of the 10th, so the day after. But on this side, we've got a fighter until the end, 18th of the 10th, 18, rest in peace, 92, Hilda R. So yeah, it's a commemoration lock to his late grandmother, so it is an absolute honour to pick these two. As you can see, I've just picked this one as well, so we can lock that back up. There we go, locked up. We've got one key for both of these locks, so they need to stay together. And yeah, it's an honour to pick this lock, being a commemoration lock. So what I thought I'd do, guys, is pick them both and get them both in the same video. So we'll start with number 8. But commiserations on your loss once again, Dave, my friend. But commemoration locks are a great way to remember somebody. Get you zoomed in a touch there. I'm going to crack straight on, guys, because we've got 2 locks to do rather than one. So I'm going to go tension there. I'm going to go in with my offset hybrid. Straight to the back. Click off 6. Nothing on 5. Click and a bit of a false set off 4. Click on 3. Click, nothing on 2, I don't think it was. Bit of counter on 1. Right, 6 dropped us a little bit deeper there. A little bit of counter on 3. Big click off 1 that time. Into the back. Nice deep false set there. I think that was off 6 again. Just gonna change pick a second, guys. I'm gonna go for this Sparrows thing that's got a little bit more reach. Went a bit deeper there, off 2, I believe that was. There we go. So that's the first one done. Number 8. So what I'll do, guys, I'll just, where can you see? I'm just going to put it there in the back, out of sight. I can't exactly fuck around with it. You'll see me pick. I'll leave it open. We'll get them both picked, and then we'll get them both gutted together. You can see there's no funny business going on. I've got no reason to lie to you anyway, guys. I've never claimed to be the best picker in the world. I never will be. But I do have, oh, this one's got a lot of slop in it. But I do have a lot of fun, and I'm happy with my ability, so that's good enough for me. So it's a bit, there we go, click off 6. It's a bit harder getting around the back of this one for some reason. Go, dropped a bit. Nice false set off 3 and 2 there. Counter on 1. As you can see, we're quite deep now, guys. This one's actually got grub screws in the bottom. We'll touch 6 there and we dropped a bit deeper. Bit counter on 4. Counter on 3. We are nice and deep now, guys. There we go. Absolutely awesome. Whoa, that was fun. So if I zoom back out, try and get these gutted for you guys. I don't want this to be the longest video in the world. There we go. So as you can see, they are both picked. If I can get that to focus. Awesome stuff. So keep them there on frame for you guys. Thought I use my big pinning tray because I've got 2 sides to it, so we can utilise both sides. So there we go. So we've got this mummied key here. So let's get into this, see what we're dealing with key wise. Might have to grab a knife, to be honest, I'm not sure. Oh no, there we go. So yeah, that was an absolute honour to pick that commemoration lock. What a terrific... Jesus fucking Christ, how much is on this? Absolute honour to pick the commemoration lock, as I said. And my deepest condolences for your loss. But it says here she was 92, so that's a lovely full life. You can't ask for more than that, buddy. Oh, come on. Jesus. Oh, I just smacked my fucking vice. Fuck, I hit. There we go, all off. Quite a cool bitting on that. We can see everything's definitely going to need to be picked on it. So yeah, let's get gutting. Gutting. Bear with me 2 seconds. Just grab my fucking pliers. I never get my fucking pliers out, do I? So because we've done number 8 first, we'll gut number 8 first. Awesome stuff. So I'll try and keep this as quick as I can for you guys. Probably add a slideshow in the end. Been having quite a lot of fun with that lately. It's a little tight, that is. Who's my red follower? She's a bit thinner. There we go. Absolutely awesome. So as you can see, we got a nice relief cut in number 2. And yeah, we've got other work going on there, so we'll have a look at that in a second. I'll just bang these key pins out first. So number 1, we have a standard, no, a T-pin. I'll show you all these up close in a second, guys. 3 standard. 4 is a serrated, by the looks of it. For fuck's sake. 5's a T-pin. And 6 looks serrated. So let's have a look what work we've got done here. So we got threading in 6, 5, 4, 3. Crazy relief undercutting in 2 and undercutting in 1. Cool stuff. Absolutely awesome. So let's have a look here. Right, number 1. Got fine serrations. Little copper spring. 2 commercial spool. And a little copper spring. Number 3, nice little double serration long driver. And a little copper spring. Number 4, got a really funky long spool thing there. We'll have a close look in a second, guys. And another little copper spring. Just going to spin around the other end to get the last 2. Number 6, a commercial spool. a nice steel spring. And number 5, nice double serration, deep serration on that one. And a copper spring. To be honest with you, buddy, I think the only reason that opened so fast was because of the copper spring, the copper springs. I'll give you a message, see if you want to swap those out at all. But just real quickly, nice little array of pins there. We'll have a closer look in a second. So let's see if there's any work done. In here, I don't think there will be. No, there's not. So wicked. Number 8 was a funky little lock. So let's get on to number 9 then. Pan you up a little bit there, guys. Keep you on frame a bit better. There we go. Oh, tough circlip on that one. Which side are our pins here? On the right. Where's my shim? Ate the whole of my shim there. I hope we'll be alright. I'm sure we will be. Pins this way up. Put the fucking groove the wrong side. We should be fine though. Got my shim a little bit stuck here, so we might lose a driver. I'm not sure. 1. I think I may have got lucky and been able to save it. I'm just going to chuck the core down there. Bear with me a second here, guys. So that looks like the top of number 2. Fuck. Alright, so number 1. Stuck to the spring as well. We've got a really funky double spool thing. Right, so that's number 4. Bear with me a second, guys. I can sort this out. Number 5. That should be number 3. Yikes, that's crazy. No wonder there was so much slop in the core. I'll show you that in 1 second, guys. Number 6. Nice double spool fucking T-pin thingy. So we came very close to a disaster there, guys, but managed to save it last second. But number 2 struggling to come out. I'm not sure why. We'll have a look at that in 1 second, guys. Let me just get these springs out in order. There we go, number 2 just came out. So So I'll show you all this up close in a second, guys. Just get number 3 spring out. Some good springs in this one. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6 spring staying in there a second, but that's alright. So let's have a look here. Jesus Christ. So we've got, it won't show up on camera, I don't think, I haven't got my lighting set up correctly. But from what I can see, I'll try and get some pictures. We've got threading on 1, 2, 3, 4. There's work done on 5, I can't tell whether it's undercutting or threading, and 6 looks standard. Absolutely wicked, that is. So let's have a look up here. Didn't have time to do that before. So as you can see, every chamber is threaded. No wonder she was so crunchy, threading in the bottom and the top. So let's get these key pins out. Sorry about that, guys, but we did manage to avoid disaster after all. So we got a nice deep spool for 1, spool for 2, spool for 3, double serration for 4, spool for 5, and spool for 6. And as you can see, we got threading in every one here. So let me bring you down to this real quickly. Sorry it took so long, guys, but stay tuned. Look at those crazy T-pins, guys, in number 3 and number 5. And look at those bad boys. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to put a slideshow in. It's the best way I can show these off. Apologies, it took me a little bit longer with the gutting. But, as I said, it was an honour to pick this lock, my friend. And I'll add a tag to it to make sure the cylinders stay together. And, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe. Stay tuned for the slideshow. Bye now. So guys, it turned out when I put the plug down, I dropped a pin. Didn't realise. So yeah, the actual crack with this is what I thought was number 3 sits in the hollow sleeve on number 2. So it's a 2-part pin and pin. Absolutely awesome. And then you've got this lovely little serrated bad boy, which I'll show you pictures of now, which sits in 3. Awesome stuff. So stay tuned for the slideshow, as I said, guys. I'll see you in a second. Bye.